that brings us to today's sandbox challenge. And today's sandbox challenge, I want to give you plenty of time to work on because it's going to give you some familiarity with lists and manipulating lists. Now, if you go to the sandbox challenge in our class, which I'm in the wrong class here, let's see. Sandbox challenge for module 3. This is actually a really useful one to do. You may or may not love doing sandbox challenges, but this one in particular I think is very useful. So it starts out with this quote, or this AR quote variable that you would copy and paste into your code. And let me see here really quickly. I'm going to go back to module 3 because I may have a file for you to download for this too that you could use. No, not for this one. Okay, so for this one, you're going to unscramble a quote. So you're going to start out by copying and pasting this AR quote into PyCharm. And you can see it's got just some random words here. But these are words that are included in one of my favorite quotations by one of my favorite authors. And if you unscramble them successfully, you will see what they actually say. So I've got steps that you just follow here, and it will walk you through things like sorting the list, adding values, taking values off, creating copies of the list. It'll walk you through all of those things. And by the end, if you follow the directions carefully, you should see the correct quote. And then you can take a screenshot, and that's it for this particular activity. And so this is really just about playing around with a quote. Now, don't forget that you can check on the progress of your quote at any time by printing it. So if I print AR quote, oops, not in the middle of that line. So if I print AR quote at any point in time, I can see what it says. Okay. So when I print that after following all the directions, it should say the correct quote. All right. So take some time, work through that. And on Wednesday, we're going to come back. We're going to learn another kind of collection, and we'll do an assignment that utilizes that piece as well.